Hey guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you all my quick and easy mommy makeup routine that I always do whenever I want to look put together, but I am super short on time. Hanging out with Valerie is more important than doing my makeup, so on an everyday basis, I like to keep things short and sweet. Hope you guys enjoy and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first things first, I like to go in and clean up my brows using two brow pencils. I like to go between the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Dark Brown and also the NYX Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. Usually, I don't have much time to clean up my brows with a concealer, so these do a great job of making my brows look nice and neat without the extra step. Next, I'm going to apply some primer. I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter Primer. So for my foundation, I'll be mixing two foundations. I'll be mixing the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 410 and also the Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade Toffee Caramel. And I'll be mixing those two foundations with a damp beauty blender. On an everyday basis, I don't like to apply like a cake load of foundation because it feels uncomfortable and I like to be comfortable. So I just kind of pat it in with my beauty blender and then spread it out that way. So that way I get a nice good coverage but not like too heavy. I have a nice medium coverage going on, not too thin of a layer, but not too heavy, which is just the way I like it on an everyday basis. So yeah, I'm loving it so far. Now I want to go in and apply a little bit of concealer. For the most part, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe, but I will go in and highlight just a smidget using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan. So first, I'll take my Maybelline Fit Me and just apply it under my eyes. And that helps to kind of conceal any dark spots. And then I'll blend it out with my beauty blender. And now let's put like a dot, literally like under my eyes, on my nose, Cupid's bow, etc. It's a smidget right there. Blend that all out. Typically, I would go in and set my under eye concealer, but on an everyday basis, I don't. I just go in and set my entire face with a powder. So I'll be taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark and just apply that all over my face. Whenever I skip the step of setting my highlight, I also look a lot less cakey. So I have been doing this method a lot more recently, just in general. I also like to apply some bronzer, so I'll be taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep and just applying that to kind of add some depth to my face. because I am in a rush, I usually don't have time to apply falsies. I really hate putting them on in general, so I for sure would not put them on when I am in a rush, but I will apply a mascara. So for today, I'll be using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and this will just help to enhance my lashes, my natural lashes. Y'all can already see a difference. This side, my lashes are a lot more voluminous and they pop more, whereas this side, my lashes are like baby lashes. They're pretty much non-existent. So I definitely have to apply at least a layer of mascara whenever I do apply makeup. I also like to apply a white eyeliner to help open my eyes up even more. So I'll be taking the LA Glide Gel Liner in the shade Champagne, and it's applying that to my bottom waterline. We are honestly just about done. I have 2 more steps. The first step is to apply a bit of highlighter, and I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And my favorite shade is definitely Golden Bronze. It's so pretty on the skin. So yeah, I've been using this like so much more lately, but I love it. And last but not least, I'll be applying a gloss. So I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and it's to apply that right on the lips. No lip liner, no nothing, just smack dab on the lips. So you guys, that is it for my mommy makeup routine. Hope you all enjoyed it. Like I mentioned, it is super quick, it's easy, and it's also great for an everyday basis. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Found it helpful. If you guys did, definitely go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. As always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.